Hi, this is an unboxing of Nikon D3200. Let's see what's in there. Some manual, I guess. Warranty information. Check this out later. And we got the body. We'll check that out later too. This is, oops, this is the lens. So the Nikon lens. And I think this is the USB code, the audio video jack, Nikon strap, battery charger. Don't know what this is. And the battery. So I showed you the lens again. It's the 18 to 55 millimeter lens starter kit. And this is the Nikon D3200. This is actually better than the Canon T5. Canon does not have a mic jack. This has an external mic jack, HDMI, and the USB port, and it also has a GPS. It takes your location if you want to, and your HDMI SD card goes in here. I think there's a bunch of SD cards goes in here, and your dial.